When I was preparing for today, I was asking myself like a lot of hours, what should I say here? What should I say to developers in Ethereum Cluj conference? And I started to ask my team, so guys, what should I say? And they were like, Maria, just show them what we do. That's simple. And I was like, okay. I will tell them what we're doing, about our ecosystem, about our vision, about everything. And they're like, yeah, right. But then one of my colleagues just asked me, Maria, but do you know what? We have a problem here. And I was like, what problem? They're like, but they're developers, tech guys, and we are marketers. We speak two completely different languages. And yeah, and I was like, yeah, this is true. But I mean, how can I address them our message if I'm not a tech person? Because when we marketers say like synergy, you hear buzzword. When I hear something like API, I hear magic. So yeah, after that, I was really insisting person. I came to our dev team and I found our lead developer, and he was drinking his 5th coffees always. And I was like, what should I say? And he's like, no, Maria, don't worry. Just show them what we do. Speak English. Speak clearly. If your grandma can understand it, so developers will too. So that's why I'm here. Speak English, speak clearly, and wanted to, with a desire to show what we build during this time. Let's start. So, I'm Maria, CMO of ICB Labs, and I'm here to tell you the honest story and clear story about what we are building. ICB Labs started in 2029. It was a different time. Crypto also was different. The world was different. But our founders had a vision. They saw that the blockchain technology was really powerful, but difficult for normal people. They saw that it was too expensive for small businesses, and it was too slow for real-world use. We have spent over 5 years working on blockchain technology, 5 years of coding, 5 years of testing, 5 years of learning from our mistakes. But we are not just another blockchain company making big promises about changing the world. No, we are builders, we are problem solvers like you. Yeah. Our mission is simple but powerful. We solve a real problem in crypto space. We create fast, smart, and affordable solutions. Let me be clear here. We don't believe in technology for technology's sake. We believe in technology that makes life better for real people. We lead several projects. Each project helps people and businesses use Web3 and blockchain in everyday life. Not in 5 years, not in some distant future, today and right now. People are using our technology to send money, verify identity, learn new skills, and build businesses. We are also part of ICB Crypto Services. This is the Singapore-based company. And why does it matter for us? Because it gives us stability, it gives us flexibility, and gives us ability to build for long term. Let me share what makes us different from hundreds of other blockchains. While others talk about the future, we build it. While others write white papers, we code it. While others make promises, we deliver product, step by step, block by block, and user by user. Now let's talk about what we are actually built. Our ecosystem have several key parts. Each part solves a specific problem. Each part works with others like gears and a Swiss watch. First, our layer one blockchain. We call it the backbone of our ecosystem because it's like everything else is built on top of it. It's a proof of stake blockchain. Why it's proof of stake? Because it's efficient. It doesn't waste electricity like Bitcoin. It doesn't need massive farms. It's green, fast, and sustainable. But here's what makes it special. We built it for scaling real applications, not just moving tokens around, real application that real businesses can use. Think of it as a foundation of a house. It's strong, flexible, and it can support many different buildings on top. We don't try to be the absolute fastest blockchain. We don't try to be the cheapest blockchain. We try to be the most reliable for real world use. Because when you're running a business, you need stability, need and speed records. Yeah, right. We process thousands of transactions every day. Real transactions from real users doing real activities. Not test transactions, not bots. Real people sending money, buying services, verifying documents. Next, our native utility token, ICBX. This token is used across all ICB platforms. It's like a fuel that powers the entire ecosystem. You use ICBX for transactions, sending money, paying for services. You use it for staking, earning passive income by supporting the network. You use it for access, unlocking educational content, premium features, special events. Let me share some real numbers with you. We have over 300,000 wallets created, more than 30,000 active QIC verification. We have active ICBX staking program with competitor rewards. ICBX is a digital asset with real utility. As our ecosystem grows, demand for ICB grows too. More users need token, more developers need token, more applications need tokens. It's simple economics. Yeah, this is my favorite part. Now let me tell you about something really special, something that solved a huge problem in the crypto. This is our QIC token. Let's think about it. Let's think about our own experience. How many times do you guys make the QIC verification? 5, 10, 20? A lot, a lot. Every exchange wants QIC. Every service wants QIC. Like every platform wants QIC. You upload your passport again and again. You take selfie again and again. You wait for like approval a lot of time. This is annoying for users, like expensive for platforms, and it's inefficient for everyone. So our QIC token solved this problem. It's a one-time NFT. You do QIC once, you get an NFT that represents your verification. So you use it. You use this NFT across our entire ecosystem, like a digital passport. Here's where it gets interesting for developers. You can integrate this QIC token into any dApp. No need to build your own QIC platform. You need to pay for QIC. No need to store like sensitive data. Your user like definitely will love you because they don't need to do QIC again. Just think about it. Like, what does it mean? Lower friction for users, lower cost for developers, better compliance for everyone. And so basically, this is the infrastructure that makes Web3 actually usable. So we also build our own AI system. Our AI used RAG technology. You can find this AI everywhere in ICB Verse. We will talk about ICB Verse a bit later. So you can use it in classrooms, helping students, in libraries, like your guidance, your assistance, everywhere. Meanwhile, you're exploring the Metaverse. So this AI also speaks multiple languages, understand contexts, work 24 hours per 7, never tired, never in the bad mood. Yeah, it's like your personal assistant in the Metaverse. So this is our biggest project, something that we're really proud of, and my personal love. So welcome to ICB Verse. This is AI-powered Metaverse platform, the place for education, collaboration, and partnership. But I can understand what you think when you hear like Metaverse, like another Metaverse platform. But I was in the same position first, but when I started to see what they are building in the Metaverse, I was absolutely not surprised. I was in shock, and with the open heart to help to build something in this metaverse because it's really special. So let me walk you through the main areas. So when users first enter an ICB Verse, they arrive at ICB Hall. So it's like your welcome space. Users land here and immediately feel oriented. Our AI guide greets them in their languages, so show them around, help with the questions. Basically, this is a simple way to understand what happened in the metaverse. You don't need a manual or tutorials. You just explore naturally. The AI adapts to each user, speaking their languages, and understand their goals. So after that, from ICB Hall, user can visit Neo Library. But this is not a regular library with PDF files. This is a center of knowledge. Books are interactive. You don't just study history, you walk through historical events. You don't just learn languages, you practice with AI tutors. The library grows every day. New books added by educators, new courses created by experts, all quality checked, all properly organized, all easily searchable. And yeah, I mean, let's like a little bit inside information. So our CEO, the main goal for him is make the education, make the education affordable for everyone. So about the like Neo Library, the content that we put in the metaverse, he is absolutely, I don't know how is it possible to say in English this word, but a freak to find the new educational content. So asking a lot of professors, a lot of universities about the content. So this library is really impressive right now, but in the next future it will be absolutely massive and a huge library with absolutely exclusive and incredible content. Just like a little bit inside information. Yeah, let's. So also here we have University Hub. This is also a really interesting part because this space was created for real universities from around the world. We're inviting physical universities. We're extending them into digital space. Universities can host virtual campuses here. Professors can teach global classes. Students from different countries can collaborate on projects. We've already onboarded several academical partners, real universities with real accreditations. They are testing new ways of teaching, new ways of reaching students, and issuing certificates. So for developers, it's also a gold mine of opportunities. You can build tools for virtual classroom here, whiteboards, presentation system, lab stimulation, create student dApps, study groups, note sharing, tokenize achievements, certificates of NFTs, skill badge, and more, like academic records. Isn't it cool to be a developer who built the next generation of education technology this way and not in isolation, not from scratch? Let's just think about it a little bit. So while University Hub hosts external university, ICB University is our own educational platform. So here anyone can organize courses, anyone can join a live stream and participate in group studies with AI tutors. So geographic, it doesn't matter, time don't become flexible, so you can do whatever you want, like it's really affordable. So, but the revolutionary part, all learning activities are rewarded with tokens. So you finish a lesson, earn tokens. If you help other students, you also earn tokens. If you create something in this platform, you also earn tokens. So basically, this is a flexible system, and every credential is issued as an NFT. Your certificates live on blockchain forever. No one can take them away. No one can take them and lose them. So, oh, I love this place. After a long day, I mean, you all had this situation after school when you're studying and you're tired, you need to find a place where you can just relax. So basically, we created this space in the metaverse. like neo-residence is your personal space in ICB Verse. You own land here, real digital land with real value. You can build on it houses, galleries, shops. You can decorate it, monetize it, rent to others, like host events, create experience. Land generates passive income through our staking system. So the more you develop your land, the more it earns. The more visitors you attract, the more valuable it becomes. Oh yeah, this is a creative part of our ICB Verse. I think they're all creative, but this one, it's for real creators. This is Talent Hub. Talent Hub is where startups, creators, developers launch their project. It's like an incubator inside the Metaverse. We provide everything you need here. So if you need tools for development, exposure to our user base, AI-driven marketing, ecosystem, automation, community support, but the real game changer is our AI marketing system. When you own land in Talent Hub, you get access to 5 AI agents, content creation, community management, talent, trend hunter, analytic expert, and a campaign manager. And will be more. But for now, it's just 5 AI agents that basically can give you the access. It's like the same as you have a full marketing team for your startup within the Metaverse. So, but these aren't simple bots. They're sophisticated AI agents trained on marketing best practices. They work also 24/7, that's why I love AI. They learn from results, they improve over time. And I also add from my part, because we are a marketer, and it was actually the idea of the marketing team, create marketing agency in the Metaverse. You know, I mean, I don't know, are you familiar with AI? Obviously, because you are developers, you know better than me how it works. But for the normal, regular people, it's really important to show them how to use how to make a good prompting. So my idea was also put in this hub, the prompting library with the right prompt that can help you to achieve the best result from AI. Not just, okay, we give you tools, you can use it, but no, we know how it works. So you put a strange word with AI, and AI give you a strange result. So we also will put in this space prompt library. So yeah, we have more zones in ICB Verse. We have business hub for B2B opportunities. We have Neo Museums, Neo Academy, Playverse. I think we will not have like time to show them all. We also have a Hall of Legend, and it's the place where you can have a real conversation with a scientist. You can find there Albert Einstein, Newton, and you can talk about them about physics, chemical, and so on. So each zone in ICB Verse represent opportunities. Each space is a platform for innovation. Each area needs developers to build amazing things. Yeah, so why does all this matter to you? Most platforms give you tools and say, good luck. We give you tools, users, infrastructure, and identity, everything you need to succeed. So, real user. We have real daily transactions, real people owning land, real student learning, real money flowing. When you build here, you build for existing active community. So we also have identity layer. Our QIC token NFT solved the biggest UX problem in the Web3. Users on board once and use everything. Working economy. ICBX token flow through the entire system. Land generates income. Education creates value. Everything is connected in a sustainable economy. So basically, our offer to developers and tech guys is simple but powerful. Build smarter, launch faster, and earn more. Monetize through multiple revenue streams. Access our users instead of finding your own, because we already have them. use our infrastructure instead of building from scratch. So we provide ready-to-use SDKs and APIs, documented, tested, and supported, multi-zone metaverse access, NFT monetization tools, marketing exposure, and launch support. The infrastructure exists, the citizens are there, the economy is running, you just need to build your shop. Yeah, and finally, ICB Labs is not a white paper, ICB Verse is not a promise. These are real working products with real users doing real things every day. We are here to build with you, to collaborate with you. So developers and tech specialists join us, don't start from zero. They build in a living, breathing digital economy with tools that work, with community that's active, with support that's real. We believe that the future of Web3 is not about competition, it's about collaboration, it's about a partnership, it's about building together and creating together. So in the future, start today in Cluj with you guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, if you have any questions.
Thank you so much for the presentation. Do you have any questions in the public? Anyone? I can see the gentleman smiling. Oh, lady at the back.
Hey.
How can developers connect?
No, I mean, where is the slide? The last slide. So you can scan. You can scan the QR code. It will the last one. Yeah, here you can scan it. You can leave at the message. Precisely during this time, we are like literally reading everything and answer every request. Yeah. Or I mean, right now after the conference, we can exchange the contact.
Beautiful. Do we have any more questions?
What type of devices do you support for interaction in the metaverse? Is it just the browser, or do you use any specific vendor partnership?
What do you mean, like devices?
Like the VR goggles?
Yeah, I mean, you can use this metaverse. I opened this platform from the laptop, from the mobile phone, because it was a difficult question in the beginning, how we will build this metaverse, because you can build it with the Unity, which is like the more accessible for the people who doesn't have a like expensive technology, because as I told, like the founder of ICB Labs, his idea is to make it affordable for the people from, I don't know, from Africa, Iran, give them the free education. That's why part of the metaverse will be free if you want to get the collect information, and obviously it's a business, but part of them will be free. So that's why technically you can use it with your laptop, with your mobile phone. If you need VR, also you can use VR.
Thank you so much. Do we have any more questions? No more questions. Thank you so much, guys. Please put your hands together for Maria.
Yeah, thank you so much.